In today's video, you're going to learn how simple it is to build your email marketing strategy using 3 simple steps that I'm going to share with you right here. And you can basically see what does that mean for a store right here that wasn't doing anything for their email marketing. They're making $2,000 out of $100,000 that their store is already making. And email marketing should make you 15, 20, 30, even 40%, but at minimum 15%. So here's the same store now making $75,000, and you see how that affects their overall revenue as well. And out of that, half comes from automation and half comes from campaigns. Anyway, we have a lot to talk about. And if you're new to our channel here, I'm sharing with you everything that worked, didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing. That's the only thing we do. And we work exclusively with e-commerce stores, all in the pursuit of finding top-tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. Okay, I'm not selling you anything on this channel. So if you are looking to scale your email and SMS marketing, subscribe, like if you want to leave a like, and drop me any questions in the comment section. Today's video number 4 out of 89 videos before Black Friday. Today's 86th day before the biggest sales season. So pay close attention. All you need to get started with email marketing, if you have nothing, is literally 3 simple things. That's it. I'm going to share with you that, and you can literally do it right after the videos because I have step-by-step videos on pretty much everything you need to get started. I made it so easy. You have videos on everything. So let's jump right in. First thing first that you need to do is start growing your email list. All right. How do you do this? The easiest way is a pop-up. All right. So step 1, list growth pop-up. Set up one pop-up with at least 2 to 3% sign-up rate. That's it. Here's Mr. Beast. Can do something like this. Nice. Half of it is an image. Other half is some text. Give me your email. Get some sort of discount. That's it. 2 to 3%. Just monitor this. I have, if you watch yesterday's video, literally you can audit your account every single week and see if you got a 2 to 3%. If not, why not? Just put yourself in your customer's shoes. Did you, maybe the offer was boring. Maybe the pop-up was showing too quickly. Maybe too annoying. Just like put yourself in your customer's shoes. Would you give yourself the email? If not, fix it. Simple. Step 2, set up 4 core flows. All right. If you don't know how, I made a full masterclass. You click on this right here. And literally, I'm going to leave you all the links for everything in my YouTube master doc. So this doc is actually something that you have access to in the description down below. Every single day, I basically release a video and you have the resource inside of its own tab. So today's day 4. I'm going to add it right after the video is done recording. Anyway, pop up 4 core flows. These are the biggest revenue drivers. And after that, step 3, 1 weekly campaign. And if you don't know how to do that, I made a video about that as well. Here's the video, how to plan a full month's campaign in 10 minutes using AI. You can literally just give ChatGPT a prompt and your website URL, let's say Nike.com if you're Nike's owner or whatever your domain is. And that's it. That's all you need, guys. I know it sounds overly simple because it is that simple. Many stores just overcomplicate that. Yes, you can put more aggressive strategies, build more flows, etc. But that's all you need to make 80% of email marketing revenue. 20% effort, 80% revenue. That's what we usually monitor in the agency. So once again, you need a pop-up to start growing your list every single week, every single month. You need 4 core flows. These will be your biggest revenue generators. Welcome series, browse abandonment, checkout abandonment, and first-time post-purchase. Then you need to plan 4 monthly campaigns. That's it. 1 weekly campaign. And obviously there's like segmentation and all that good stuff. But as long as you send, let's say, to engage subscribers, you know, your 60, 90-day openers or clickers, you be Gucci, you know, you be golden. All right. So if you want the same results as I showed you right here, this client actually is making these results from, you know, obviously we have a bit more bells and whistles, you know, inside of that account, but mainly from this setup. If you want these results, number 1, download our doc. Link is waiting for you in the description down below. Just go ahead, download this doc. And number 2 is apply the checklist. So you have step 1, set up the pop-up. Step 2, set up those core flows. Welcome series, browse abandonment, checkout, and post-purchase. And then set up 1 weekly campaign. Apply the checklist right here. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. And then you just want to monitor deliverability. I talked about that as well in the second video I made. So video number 2 out of 89 videos before Black Friday. That's it, guys. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions, drop me a comment down below. and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.